Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia Sultami and PM 2441201 from Accounting Class 24A. On this occasion, I would like to present to you about intercompany acquisition and investment in other entities standard costs. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the material. Definition of intercompany acquisition. Intercompany acquisition refers to acquisition transactions that occur between entities within the same corporate group, where one entity acquires ownership of other entity that is still under the same group structure. These transactions are typically part of internal restructuring rather than acquisition from external parties. Therefore, from a consolidated financial reporting perspective, such transactions are not considered new economic acquisition but rather transfer of ownership within a single economic entity. Next slide. Characteristic of intercompany acquisition. Intercompany acquisition are characterized by the absence of a change in control at the group level, even though ownership may change at the individual entity level. These transactions are usually carried out for operational efficiency, organizational simplification, or strategic business purpose. Since they occur within the same group, they do not result in recognized gains or losses in consolidated financial statement. Next, accounting treatment in consolidation. In consolidated financial statement, intercompany acquisitions require elimination because they do not represent transactions with external parties. The acquired asset and liabilities continue to be recognized at their carrying amount from the group's perspective rather than at the transaction price between entities. Any difference arising from internal transactions are not recognized as profit or goodwill, but are adjusted within equity. Next, investment in other entities. Investment in other entities refer to a company ownership interest in another entity, which might take the form of subsidiaries, associates, or joint venture. The level of ownership and influence determination of the appropriate accounting method, such as full consolidation, the equity method, or recognition as a financial statements. These investments are an important part of corporate strategy for expanding operation and enhancing firm value. Next, conclusion. Intercompany acquisition and investment in other entities using a standard cost approach are part of strategic financial and organizational management within a corporate group. However, in the context of consolidated financial statements, these transactions require careful elimination and adjustment to avoid misrepresentation. By applying appropriate accounting principles, consolidated financial statements can fairly and reflect the group's true economic condition. That brings us to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found it insightful. And I say the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.